Good morning, folks. It is cold outside and I've got my hat on, so I'm ready. Today we're going to be looking at Stiletto hammers. Now, Stiletto is a shoe company or a kind of shoe, or I'm a guy, so I'm not sure, but we do know that Stiletto is a company that makes awesome titanium-headed, wood-handled hammers, and we have them because we love them. We've broken a few of these hammers, the handle part, and so today we're going to repair them because, as we know, the hammer is like the sword of the carpenter. It is the most iconic tool in your belt. Now, we're going to make sure we get it done right so that when we're using these hammers later, the head doesn't go flying off and kill somebody. So we're going to video the process of us repairing these hammers and reusing them. We're not going to throw them away like everybody does today. We're going to keep them going another 10 years. So we're going to video the process. This is exciting for us. Maybe not for you, but I love my hammer. This is my trusty Stiletto hammer, and I've had this for a couple years. And the other day, a little accident with a table saw. I used this to push a board through, and it caught and took the end off of it. So we're going to do a repair today, put a new handle on this thing because this wasn't cheap, but it's a great hammer. Was a great hammer.
That's 12 bucks.
Better than 100 on one. That's a sad day. Oh my gosh. Like a chicken head dropping off.
Okay, let's get it drilled.
All right, so now we got to get the rest of the handle out of here. We got to drill some holes here and here to loosen it up and then knock it out. That's a titanium head, 14 ounce. Now we're building a jig to drill this out. This is a complicated process now that I'm looking at it.
It's smaller on the bottom than it is on the top. When you put the new handle in from the bottom, the wedge spreads it and holds it in there.
What? Andy just defied the laws of gravity right there. Did you just see that? He's knocking that thing on by hitting it
backwards. I'm just kidding.
You know, they say never hit a hammer with another hammer.
They do say that. He's going to adjust the wedge here so that it'll go deeper. Start further spread out, I guess you'd say. Custom angle.
Is that right or not?
Well, this one over here has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of... No, we're ready to do that. It's 2 by 6 or 2 by 8 regular.
It's ready for a 2 by 8 regular.
Yes. This has 5 rows of untreated filters, 2 by 8 and 2 by 8.
Yeah, so you said it's ready for a...
Yeah.
Even if we just did, what if I think this one is important to put it on this little 2 by 4 filler to finish it?
Where are your wedges? There. Dude, this is awesome.
Baby handle though.
T40.
Those are the wedges from the old hammer?
No.
Or those new wedges?
They're new.
Came with new wedges. There you go.
Dude,
Brand new hammer. He broke his neck, but he came back to life.
How do you get this?
That's
a little
amazing.
thinner.
A little thinner, a little cleaner.
You got a solution?
Nice.
First
The same, this is the same length,
one
and
of these that has
Yep.
a half-inch chuck in it.
Yep,
that smaller handle
And then
probably
you weld
be better.
in
that's awesome.
5/16.
That is awesome.
Yeah, be careful with this one. They go chewing the end off of there.
Oh. Thank you, sir.